Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn choose the correct answers and match the following of chapter 5 Water on the Earth. Children, all of you open your worksheets. Open chapter 5 Water on the Earth. In our previous classes, we have learned meanings and fill in the blanks. In today's class, we are going to learn choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. They have given some questions and some options. We have to choose the correct answer from these options. Okay. See the first one. The dash of Earth's 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 surface 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 is covered 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 with water. The dash of Earth's surface is covered with water. Is it 1 by 2 means of, or is it 1 by 4th, or is it 3 by 4th, or is it 2 by 2? 3 by 4th. The 3 by 4th of Earth's surface is covered with water. The correct answer is C bit. Okay. See the second one. In very cold cold places places, water is prevented prevented in the form of. In very cold places, water is prevented in the form of snow, water vapor, liquid or gas. So, in very cold places, water is prevented in the form of snow. SNOW, snow. So, option A is the correct answer for the second question. See the third one. There is a lot of dash present in earth. There. There is a lot of dash present present in earth earth. So option A light, option B gas, option C water and option D snow. So there is a lot of water. So option C is the correct option. Option C is the correct answer. So there is a lot of water present in earth. See the fourth one. The dash heats 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 the water water present present in rivers rivers, ponds ponds and seas seas. The dash heats the water present in rivers, ponds and seas. Option A fire, option B stars, option C sun, option D moon. So the correct answer is the sun heats the water present in rivers, ponds and seas. So C bit is the correct answer for the fourth question. Now see the fifth one. Major major part of the earth's earth's surface is covered with dash. Major part of the earth's surface is covered covered with dash. Option A snow, option B gas, option C fog, option D water. Major part of the earth's surface is covered with water. So option D is the correct answer for the fifth question. Now see the sixth one. Purest form of water. PUREST. Purest form of water. Purest form of water is rainwater. So option C is the correct answer for question 6. Okay. Now see match the following children. Match the following. First one. Water cycle. WATER water. CYCLE cycle. Water cycle means E. Causes water cycle causes rains. CAUSES causes rain. Now second one is water vapor. WATER water. VAPOUR water vapor. See the sixth one. Water in the form of gas. Water in the form of gas, we call it as water vapor. See the third one. Rain water. RAIN rain. WATER rain water is the purest of water. Okay. PUREST purest of water. Now fourth one. Rain water harvesting. RAIN rain. WATER water harvesting. HARVESTING. Rainwater harvesting means collecting rainwater. COLLECTING collecting rainwater. Fifth one, water on earth. WATER water on earth. Water on earth is three quarter of the earth is filled with water. So water on earth is 3/4. Okay. Again I will repeat the answers. You see carefully, children. Water cycle. E. Option E causes rains. Second one, water vapor. Option C, water in the form of gas. Third one, rainwater. Option A, purest of water. Fourth one, rainwater harvesting. Option B, collecting rainwater. Fifth one, water on earth. D bit 3/4. Okay. Children, once you repeat these, choose the correct answers and match the following 2 to 3 times and note down in your homework books 2 times each. Okay. Bye children. Thank you.